morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it is Sunday. This month is already flying by really fast, which actually makes me so happy because on April 30th I finally turned 21, so I'm very content if this month flies by. Anyways, on this beautiful Sunday I thought I would just do a little bit of vlogging. I don't really have a whole lot going on today, but I still just kind of wanted to be productive with you guys. Spring has definitely sprung here in Charlotte. However, just like looking around, I feel so disorganized. Like I have like clothes over here that haven't been put away. My desk is just like a mess. Like I have a plate, a thing of lemon juice. I don't know what is going on. Honestly though, I am just so cozy in bed right now, and apparently Cleo agrees with me. Hi baby. It's also Cleo's birthday month, which makes me so excited. She will be 6 on April 17th. Right baby? Right baby? Guys, I literally bought a huge set of these hangers the other day. I think it came with like 25 or 30, and I still don't have enough for my clothes. I have like 5 or 6 shirts that need a hanger. But yeah, I got all this stuff folded, so it's one less thing I have to do. Alright, so I got this compactor, and as you can see in the photo right here, you basically just use it to fold up a bunch of stuff. I'm so excited. Hi Cleo, are you excited? I'm excited. I'm excited because I've never ever used one of these little vacuum sealed storage things. So I'm gonna take all of the winter clothes out of my closet and get those out, so I have some more space and hangers, and I'm gonna try this out. And also guys, they were so sweet, they sent an extra one, so and this is for you guys. So in 1 week's time, I'll go ahead and just randomly select one of the comments. Make sure you're following me on Instagram as well, and I'll go ahead and send this out to you because these are awesome. Like I cannot wait to use this. So these are the extra larges, which means that they are supposed to store up to 2 king-size duvets and 2 pillows. Okay, this thing was awesome. Here, let me show you guys. I was able to get so much stuff in here, and I actually have room for probably double the amount that's in here. But yeah, now I'm just gonna go ahead and put this under my bed, and I have so much more space in my closet now. It feels so good, guys. I took out all my scarves, my just like big winter coats that I know I'm not gonna wear. And then I actually took out even more stuff that I'm gonna take to a consignment shop and probably get a little bit of money, but this stuff I definitely want to keep around. I also like these things because you can see what stuff is in here, so it doesn't get confusing if you have a bunch of them. What do you think? I could put you in here. I could put you too. Puppies, what do you think of it? Huh? What do you think of it? Tucker's like, I don't know. So I'm pretty sure I showed this in my last vlog, but for those of you that maybe didn't see it, I wanted to show it again because I want you guys to know this Neutrogena BB cream. I've had it for like a few months, but I never really like used it because I think I got this with a few other products that I just ended up giving more use instead. But I just started reusing this, and it is amazing. BB cream is perfect for the springtime and summer because it gives you coverage, but it also has that SPF 30 inside it that your skin needs, especially like when the sun starts coming out this time of year. But products like this has actually like really helped me transition into just being able to like go out comfortable in my own skin. I actually usually won't even put on anything if I'm just running to the store. But today my skin, it just felt a little more uneven, and since I am filming, I didn't want to scare all of you guys, so I figured I would just put some of this on. But yeah, A+ for this. I don't know the exact price, but I'll make sure to include it on here. I'm just suggesting it to you guys because it is a bomb product that I feel like does not get enough recognition. I just went to Target and I picked up some things. I figured I would just show you guys. If you stalk my videos to like the very beginning of my channel, you'll probably find some e.l.f. hauls on there. But I got a few e.l.f. items. So I got the HG Lifting Concealer. I used to use this all the time, and I don't have a good concealer right now, so I figured this would probably be good. And then I also got the Baked Highlighter and Blush. I really like this because it's a 2-in-1. A lot of the time I do my makeup in the car because I'm always running late, so having products like these are awesome. I got dryer sheets. Freaking love dryer sheets. I don't know why. Dish soap because we need more dish soap. And then I got a new all-purpose cleaner. I like having an all-purpose cleaner just for the kitchen and bathroom. Sometimes like grime will build up on the counter or on like my shower walls. So just having this stuff with some paper towel is always good at keeping my place clean. Y'all, the dollar section had so much stuff. I actually took a little bit of footage. I got a couple of these notepads. One of my favorite things to do if you're ever feeling in a rut or unmotivated, just get stationery. Like stationery and planners and all that kind of stuff, like fun pens. That stuff is all so motivating. And then I also just got a new set of bed sheets. I always like changing up my bed sheets for the season. My ones that I have now, they're just getting kind of old, so I figured just to get some new ones. But yeah, I am gonna go to this volleyball tournament and get some footage for the recruitment video that I'm making for my sorority later this summer. But yeah, the sun is shining. It is a beautiful day, and I will see you guys when I get there. Alright, so I just got to the Student Athletics Center here at UNCC, and I walk in and I'm like, it's a little bit quiet in here. And then I like pulled up my phone to just like make sure I was in the right place because I could have sworn it was here. And of course I then check Facebook and I see the announcement that the tournament actually had to be moved to another day because not enough teams were able to make it to today because we already had to reschedule it because of the rain yesterday. So just came to campus for no reason, but honestly it's all good. So yeah, that was completely my fault, but oh well, I had to be out here by university anyways to go to Target, so it's all good. But yeah, for any of you guys that are going to Charlotte next year, I know some of you guys watch my videos, here is the Student Athletic Center, and they're actually building another one. So this one is like I think 5 or 6 stories tall. Out there is like the basketball arena and stuff, and where they do like some dance competitions, I think. And then they have like tables in here, so sometimes people come in here and study just because it's kind of quiet, I guess, during the school hours when there's like no sports going on. So this is just a little side note that I felt the need to share with you guys, but I would highly recommend going out to eat maybe like once every 2 weeks just by yourself. Like, I know some people don't like going alone, especially if you see people you know while you're out. It's kind of embarrassing, but I think it's so good just to have some alone time, especially in college when you're surrounded by people nonstop. So that's kind of something I ended up doing today. So it's about 6:30 and I just had some really good dinner. Oh my gosh, it's so good. If you guys are from Charlotte, check out Cava. It's like a Mediterranean version of Chipotle almost. It's so good. But anyways, right now I'm about to go to my sorority's chapter meeting. They just do one of these pretty much every Sunday so that we can all get together and just discuss any upcoming events. And this one's actually a casual chapter, so I can just wear whatever I want to it, which makes me really happy because I'm just not in the mood to get all dressed up today. Usually we wear like pin attire or something, you know, nice and fancy, but today it's just casual. Alright, so I actually got back from chapter a few hours ago. It's now 10:48 and I have actually just been working on this project that I have. I am a finance major, so I'm taking this class called Investments, and basically throughout the whole semester we had a partner and we basically had to buy and sell like fake stocks in the market. And so basically we had to like keep this huge Excel sheet that just kind of shows like how everything changed through the market, what kind of dividends were released. If you guys study finance, you would know what I'm talking about, but if not, it probably looks like a bunch of just like chicken scratch. But anyways, I think that's gonna be about it for this vlog. I'm just gonna finish this up probably for about like the next 30 minutes, and then I actually got a new bath bomb that I really want to try out, so I'll probably end up using that. But as always, I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you're not already, because on days that I'm not able to vlog, I always keep up with you guys on there. So, and I love messaging you and like stuff like that, so if you ever want to talk, just like send me a DM because I literally will reply. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I feel like I had a very productive day and I love going to bed with that feeling. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!
dancing.